Okay, so today, day 2 for our financial project. We are working a whole year, happy, making a lot of money, and then we need to fill the taxes, and we want to know: are we gonna get a refund, or are we gonna own money? Okay, how do we do this? So first of all, we want to take, in this example, they give us federal tax withholding that we did last time. Okay, that was for the teacher, that was this amount of money right here. Okay, for us, if we go back to the previous video, or maybe you were taking notes, it turned out that our federal withholding was $201.60. Okay, so I'm gonna write it here. So $201.60, and we want to know how much a whole year we paid for them. We need to multiply by 12 months. Okay, so let's go to the calculator. I'm gonna take $201.60 and multiply by 12. That gives me total of $2,419.20. This is the amount of money that I paid for my federal taxes. Again, the same thing you would do for state taxes, but we're not going to go into this. You're going to have an idea about doing federal taxes. It might help you doing the state taxes to estimate how much you're going to are you going to have to pay, or you're going to get a refund. So now, what is one thing about filing taxes? They actually round it to the nearest dollar. So if you make $2,419.20, and 20 cents is less than 50 cents, then we're actually forgetting about this. If you would make more than 50 cents, you will round it to $20 right here. Okay. Now, what is the taxable income? So they don't tax the whole amount of money that you actually make. You will have to take your $24,019 and you can take away $6,200. Okay, so this is I wouldn't say free money, but tax-free money. So they don't so basically what they're saying, if you're making $6,200 a year, that means you really don't have to pay federal taxes. Okay, so if I put in my calculator, it turns out that the taxable income they can only tax me on is $13,960. Okay, so how much they gonna tax me? How much I supposed to pay for this amount of money that I made? There is a special form that it says obtain from a teacher. Obviously you cannot, because I'm not there, or go to the website. So I'm going to show you the website. It's going to give you a headache the first time you're looking at it. Okay, this is a new one, and you go to this starting from here. It looks like it's terrible. People just want to do taxes after they see this, but this is not that difficult actually. So let's say you are single, okay, and this is how much money you make, and this is the taxable amount of money. Okay, so not the whole income we're talking about. This is only $13,960 that we're talking about. So if you make at least this much, but not less than this, but less than this, then you're gonna pay this much of taxes. Okay, so we have to go to the line where we are about $13,000. Okay, so we made $13,900, so at least $13,950, but less than $14,000. So we are right here on this line, and since we're single, we're supposed to pay $1,483. This is how much money we're supposed to pay, and let's see how much we actually paid. So we're going to difference between what you actually paid, because this they were taken from your paychecks, and what you were supposed to pay, and that's how you figure what you're gonna get. So the amount of money you paid minus the amount of money you were supposed to pay, this is gonna give you the difference, and it's going to tell you, is it a refund or is it or you own something. Okay, so I'm going to go to my calculator, and I'm going to do 2419 minus 1483. So it turns out it's $936. Okay. What does that mean? That means if a number is positive, you get a refund. If a number is negative, you have to own that much money. Our number is positive, so that means we're going to get $936 back after I fill my taxes. And this information right here, if you do this, it's going to tell you the first time you're filling, you're going to get a job. They're going to ask you to fill the tax form, okay? And the tax form is asking you how much money you want to take out of your taxes, okay? You can choose, I don't want any money taken out of my taxes, okay? But then at the end of the year, you're going to own this much money to the government. So you have to decide if you want to go higher so you can expect a refund, or you want to go lower so you're going to have to pay, or if you are lucky, you're going to end up paying exactly what you're supposed to do. But I have to tell you, this is very nice. Everybody's waiting for that refund. If you put too little here to take out, then you're going to have to own, and that's not nice. So it's better to get a refund back. And I don't know if you heard, people were really surprised and disappointed that they haven't got any refund this year. Well, it happened because they changed the taxes, and this is what I'm talking about. They changed the withholdings, but people didn't change how much they wanted taken out of their paycheck. So it turns out they were just taking too little. Do they have a right to complain? Well, yeah, because the taxes most of the time went up. But that's another story. That's what happened. They just put too little money here to take out, and they end up paying less than they were supposed to, and they have to own.